In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an AC condenser on your Honda Accord. Before beginning this job, be sure to bring your car to a shop and have them evacuate the AC system. Using a trim tool, we're going to take off all the clips on the upper grill. Remove the Phillips head screw on the corner of the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side. We're also going to remove the third row of clips. Start at one corner of the bumper and pull straight out. And disconnect the bumper from the clips. And then do the same thing on the other side. Remove the connector for the fog light. Push on the tab and pull down. Do the same thing on the other side. Once you have your connectors undone, remove the bumper. Remove the clips on this little air diffuser. Pull that clip out, and there's two more plastic clips on the bottom side. And then remove the plastic air diffuser. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolts out of the two fittings. Remove the lines from the condenser. Remove the 10mm bolts for the top condenser brackets. Remove the bolt off of the bracket. Lift up on the condenser and then pull it out through the bottom. Remove the grommets off of the old condenser. We're going to swap these over to the new one. Install the condenser up and into the car. Install the bracket. I'm installing this onto the condenser first. I'm going to pull it forward and then install my bolt. I used a pair of pliers on the back of the bracket just to hold it nice and square while I tighten the bolt down. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the O-rings off the line. I'm just using a little pick. And then install the new one. Do the same thing on the other line. Remove the plug out of the condenser and install the line. Torque these bolts to 6 foot-pounds. Install the air diffusers. Put your clips in. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the connectors for the fog lights. Do the same thing on the other side. Start at one corner of the vehicle and pop the bumper into the fender. Then pull it around and click it into the other side and under the headlights. Tuck the fender liner in behind the bumper. Install the Phillips head screw. Install the clips into the top of the grille. There should be 4. Install the clips along this line. Once this job is complete, be sure to bring your car to a shop and have them charge your AC system.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.